What's up guys, thank you for watching JGTechBlog. Today I will be showing you guys how to set up facial recognition on the new Samsung Galaxy A6. Stay tuned to see how to set it up, how to use it, and how well it actually works.
If this is your first time here and you want to know more about the latest promotions and phones at Metro, Cricket, and Boost, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell button to be the first notified.
So we're gonna go ahead and go to the settings. Look for lock screen. Scroll all the way down and you see face recognition. So to use face recognition, you would have to make a regular password that doesn't involve like your fingerprint or your face. Like a backup. Let's just do a pattern and we're just gonna go with J. Okay, let's do it again. Confirm. For better face recognition, consider the conditions when blah blah blah. Continue. Hold your face 8 to 20 inch. Hold the phone 8 to 20 inches from your face. Wow, that was so quick. Wow, that's it. Let's try that out. Wow, that actually works pretty good. You guys can see my reflection from the phone, can you? Ooh, that's impressive. That was pretty easy and smooth. Pretty simple, isn't it? This does work pretty well. It's not the best facial recognition feature I saw better on other phones. This does take like half a second to open, but it works pretty well. There you guys have it. If you like this video, please leave a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next one. How to set up facial recognition on the iPhone